Play button to start it. The VM window will open and you'll see the UTM logo briefly, followed by a black screen with text. You'll see a message saying, "Press any key to boot from CD or DVD." Press any key on your keyboard quickly. If you miss it and see an error screen, don't worry. Just click the Stop button at the top to shut down the VM, then click Play again to restart it. Once you press a key in time, Windows Setup will begin loading.
First screen. Select your language, time format, and keyboard. Windows will ask for a product key. For now, click on I don't have a product key at the bottom. Don't worry, Windows will still install and work. You'll have an Activate Windows watermark, but full functionality is available. You can activate later if you purchase a key. Choose which edition of Windows 11 you want. I recommend Windows 11 Pro. Select it and click Next. Accept the license terms. You'll see your virtual hard drive listed as Drive 0 unallocated space with the size you specified earlier. Click on it to select it, then click Next. Windows will now begin installing. You'll see several stages. This process takes 10 to 20 minutes depending on your max speed. The VM will automatically restart. When you see Press any key to boot from CD again, do not press anything this time. Just wait, and Windows will boot from the virtual hard drive instead. Select your country or region, then select your keyboard layout. Windows will ask you to sign in with a Microsoft account. If you prefer a local account, offline account, you can bypass this. Click on Set up for Work or School option. Click on Sign In options at the bottom. Select Domain Join instead. Follow the prompts to create a local username and password. Windows will now finalize your settings. You'll see messages like, "This might take a few minutes. Getting everything ready." Wait patiently. The VM might appear to freeze briefly. This is normal. Finally, you'll see the Windows 11 desktop. Congratulations! But we're not quite done. We need to install UTM guest tools for better integration between Mac OS and Windows. Open File Explorer, the folder icon in the taskbar. Look in the left sidebar for This PC and click it. You'll see drives listed. Look for CD drive UTM guest tools or similar. Double-click on it to open it. Double-click Spice-Guest-Tools or a similar installer file. Click Yes when Windows asks if you want to allow changes. The installer will run. Click through it. Click Next. Accept the license agreement. Click Next several times. Click Install, then click Finish.